this is Jason with UptaCraft. I'm sitting here in the parking lot of a local vendor here. I was taking a little road trip this morning, pick up a few materials, and while I was driving down the road, I just kind of got thinking again about an idea that's been rattling around in my head for a while. Past videos, you know, maybe you've even heard the rattling, who knows? Hope not. Anyways, been thinking about an idea for a new playlist on my YouTube channel. Now that channel, UptaCraft, you can find that easily. If, of course, you're watching this video, so you're already there, but if you wanted to describe it to others, just simply look for UptaCraft, UptaCraft, and you can find me. And you'll find there's a series of playlists I've been creating. One of them is a dining room table made from upcycled framing lumber. I'm very happy with how that turned out. It was an 11 episode playlist, and it takes it from the planning, the design, the construction process, the finishing process, and then a quick walk around in the last episode to show you the end result. Real happy with how that came out. Also got another playlist called The Shop, and there I'm going to be, over time, showing the build and usage of various jigs and various space-saving measures I take in my small shop. It's basically the size of a 2-car garage and still doubling as a garage, so have to make best use of space, especially things that are movable, modular, and easily stored. So be on the lookout for new episodes on that playlist as well. I also got another one with a couple of videos. I just called that Humor. I believe that's what I called it. Just a couple fun little things I do every once in a while just to lighten it up. Got to keep it light and enjoy what we're doing here. Okay, back on subject. The thought I have is, you know, I've got a number of different people that I've seen and in some cases follow on YouTube who are doing beautiful work. They're doing excellent woodworking and making, and they're doing so with very advanced techniques, in some cases some very expensive tools, and beautiful fully equipped shops. My intent here, and of course that's not to take away from what these ones have done, because frankly I follow them. Like I said, they do beautiful work and they've inspired me to do what I'm doing on YouTube, which I'm starting out. My intent here though is to create a new series, a playlist that focuses more on the beginning woodworker, or perhaps even ones who haven't yet tried their hand at woodworking. What I want to do is focus on how a person can get into woodworking with a minimal amount of time investment and a minimal amount of money investment, at least initially. And then over time, as we progress in the kind of skills that we demonstrate, also demonstrate or recommend suggested tools to acquire as you build your skill sets. So again, this is not intended for the advanced woodworker. It's intended for a beginner woodworker, one who's wanting to grow in their skills, or ones who perhaps even haven't tried woodworking yet. So what I'd like to do is ask you, if you would, after you've watched this video, or even right now, just take a minute and down below, please comment. First, tell me, do you think this is a good idea? Would this provide value for you or for someone you know? And if it would, I'd love to know that. If it would provide value, I'm looking for 2 other bits of feedback from you. First of all, do you have any suggestions on specific subject matter, a specific skill that you'd like to see demonstrated? Love to hear from you on that. The other thing is, perhaps you see my idea and you have an idea that would refine it and perhaps even bring more value to you or to someone you know. Looking for feedback on that as well. So if you would, like I say, comment below. And again, I want to thank you for your attention for this video and for the other videos on my playlists. We're looking to provide value for you, and we're looking to have a good time doing it. So I value your feedback on any of my videos. And you know what? I'm looking at my windshield right now. It's below freezing. It's rainy and it's windy. And right now the weatherman is saying that there's freezing rain in the area. So that's the kind of day I'm looking forward to. I hope you're looking forward to a better day. Talk to you soon. By the way, make sure you subscribe, because if you subscribe and have availability of the little bell icon, that way you'll always know what we're up to. Have a good day.